Mangal Maitri 9th class, welcome to today's class. Children, today we will discuss about parallel lines and transversal lines under the topic lines and angles. Children, first of all we will discuss about transversal. Actually, transversal is a line which intersect two or more lines at a distinct points. Children, you can see in this figure that line L is intersecting two lines M and N at two distinct points P and Q respectively. So children, line L is transversal for lines M and N. Children, now we will discuss about exterior angles. Exterior angles are those angles which are outside the parallel lines. Here in this figure, you can see that angle 1 and angle 2 are outside the line M, and similarly angle 7 and angle 8 are outside the line N. So children, angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8 all are exterior angles. Now children, we will discuss about interior angles. Interior angles are those angles which are inside the parallel lines. Here you can see angle 3 and angle 4 are inside line M. Similarly, angle 5 and angle 6 are also inside the line N. So children, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are interior angles. Now children, we will discuss about corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are those angles which are in the matching corners, or we can say which are at the same position. For example, in this given figure you can see here angle 1 and angle 5 both are on the left side of the transversal and at the upper side of lines M and line N. So angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles because they both are on same position. Similarly children, you can see here that angle 2 and angle 6 both angles are on the right side of the transversal and on the upper side of lines M and line N. So both angle 2 and angle 6 are at the same position, so they also form a pair of corresponding angles. Similarly children, you can identify two another pairs of corresponding angles as angle 4 and angle 8. Angle 4 and angle 8 both are on the left side of the transversal line and below the lines M and line N. So angle 4 and angle 8 are at the same position. So angle 4 and angle 8 form a pair of corresponding angles. In the similar way, angle 3 and angle 7 both are on the right side of transversal line and below the lines M and line N. So children, angle 3 and angle 7 also form a pair of corresponding angles. Now children, we will talk about alternate interior angles. Children, alternate interior angles are those angles which are formed on opposite sides of transversal and inside the two lines. For example, in this figure you can see that angle 4 and angle 6 are both on the opposite side of the transversal lines. As you can see, angle 4 is on the left side of transversal and angle 6 is on the right side of transversal, and both are at interior of lines M and line N. So children, angle 4 and angle 6 are alternate interior angles. In the same way, you can find another pair of alternate interior angle like angle 3 and angle 5. Angle 3 and angle 5 are on the opposite side of transversal lines. As you can see, angle 3 is on the right side of transversal and angle 5 is on the left side of transversal, and both are at the interior side of line M and line N. So angle 3 and angle 5 are also alternate interior angles. Now children, we will discuss about alternate exterior angles. Children, alternate exterior angles are those angles which are formed on the opposite sides of transversal and outside the two lines. In this figure, you can see here angle 1 and angle 7 are outside the lines M and line N, and both angles are on the opposite side of transversal. For example, angle 1 is on the left side of transversal and angle 7 is on the right side of transversal. Hence, angle 1 and angle 7 are alternate exterior angles. Children, in the similar way, you can find another pair of alternate exterior angle here, angle 2 and angle 8. Both are on the opposite side of transversal. Angle 2 is on the right side of transversal and angle 8 is on the left side of transversal. And also angle 2 and angle 8 both are outside the lines M and line N respectively. So children, angle 2 and angle 8 also make a pair of alternate exterior angles. So children, this is all about lines and transversal lines and about pairs of angles. So keep on practicing at your home. Thank you.